Equity returns may lose their sheen in the upcoming calendar year as their valuations remain extremely expensive, and returns from the emerging market equities could be the worst hit. According to the latest analysis by global brokerage Morgan Stanley, emerging markets may struggle for returns in calendar year 2022. Among other regions, the brokerage maintains an overweight position on European and Japanese equities, remains neutral on EMs, and underweight on US equities. According to the brokerage, EM valuation has cooled off from the January peak but is far from being cheap. Therefore, it expects EM equities in aggregate to continue to struggle next year. That said, there will be stock-specific opportunities for investors next year, and focus should be on stock selection rather than chasing broad market-wide returns. Among sectors, Morgan Stanley remains underweight on semiconductors, expressed primarily through Taiwan IT, and China Internet, reflected in communication services GICS sector. Utility sectors is also among their key underweight as the brokerage remains cognizant of the elevated regulatory risk and potential support mechanisms through the decarbonization process. Back home, new listings and initial public offers will keep the action alive on Dalal Street over the next few days as secondary markets remain in a consolidation phase. The BSE Sensex ended Monday's range-bound session at 60,719 levels, up 32 points, while the Nifty 50 shot sharp at 18,109 levels, up 7 points. The street, however, saw 3 stocks debuting on the bourses with varying listing pops. Shares of Segachi Enterprises, for instance, debuted at 575 rupees per share on the BSE, commanding a premium of 253% over its issue price of 163 rupees. That apart, Policy Bazaar listed on the bourses with a 17% premium at 1,150 rupees per share. Its issue price was 980 rupees. For both these stocks, analysts suggest existing investors to maintain their positions, while new investors should wait for better entry points. On the contrary, SGS Enterprises saw a muted debut on the bourses with the shares getting listed marginally lower than the issue price at 540 rupees on the BSE. On Tuesday, stock-specific action will continue to dominate the trends in secondary market along with global cues. Besides, market participants will also track the public issue of Tarsun Products. The IPO of the life sciences company, which will enter its second day today, sailed through on the very first day of the issue with 1.1 times subscription.
If you like this video, share it and subscribe to Business Standard. For more news, views and insights, log on to www.business-standard.com. Do also follow us on YouTube, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, Telegram and LinkedIn.